Welcome back to MrYouWho, Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Today we're going to be reviewing the JBL Tour Pro Plus earbuds. I'm really excited to be reviewing these earbuds. We heard a lot about them. I'm really excited to be seeing them today. Now the great thing with the JBL Tour Pro Plus is they sound fantastic. The bass is excellent, really good noise cancelling, and they've got 8 hours battery life in the ears and also in the case. So in this review, we'll be actually going and testing them out. We'll unbox them, see what comes in them, have a look at some of the features. We'll then go and use it out and about at the gym to see how they work when working out. We'll then go and use them, testing out some of the features so you guys can see exactly how the JBL Tour earbuds work. Finally, we'll do a sound test. Then we'll come back and give you our final verdict about what we think about these. But all in all, these are great earbuds. IPX4, case charging, great sounding, great music, and charge really quickly. So anyway, we're going to jump in now and have a look at the earbuds. All that now, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho. So here we are looking a bit closer at the JBL Tour Pro Plus earbuds. Now as you can see, it comes in a very nice case. Now if you look at compared to the size of the hand, it sits about there. And there's the USB-C charging as well. And you've got the details on the back there. Now if we open it up, you can have a look. So there are the earbuds. Now the case itself looks fairly bulky, but actually sits quite well. And now here's the earbuds too. Now I'll just pop those out and we'll have a quick look at them. So there's the earbuds up quite close. Now as you can see, now they get a really good suction in the ears, as you can see by the size of them. As you can see, the blue is there for the pairing. And there's the earbuds too. Now the great thing with these is they have up to 8 hours battery life with ANC. And up to 30 hours battery life with the case as well, which is really handy. It also charges quite quickly too, around 2 hours to charge them. And it also comes with IPX4 water rating as well, which is good if you're using it out there for sport. Now also, as you can see with the guide, it comes with the normal JBL quick start guide, which you can see here, which is pretty standard with it. Now, the great thing with this as well is it does come with ambient aware and noise cancelling, which I'll go into shortly. And here's a bit about the, you also get the different wing tips as well, and USB-C charging cable, which you can see here. So now I use the tips in my ears. To be honest, I found I needed to change them slightly just because I moved around a little bit. But there are the earbuds. Really nice set. So let's go and have a look now at how these actually work in practice. I hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing of JBL Tour Pro Plus earbuds. As you can see, they look like great earbuds, and I'm really excited now to be trying them out and about. Actually, using these at the gym, why not sporty? Let's do that now. Okay! That's better. Now in my sporty outfit, now we can try these earbuds out. So we'll start with, let's just take them out of the earbuds and put them in the ears. So as you can see there, they are just there. So you put it in the ear. Now what you need to do is make sure the wingtip actually gets under your ear, just like that. Now they do have different size wingtips as well, in case you need to use them. Again, you put it in there and gets the wingtip underneath. So there you go. So now the earbuds are in. Now if you want to go and use the active noise cancelling, it's quite simple. Just press a button and it activates it. Now if you want to go and put ambient aware, which means it actually drops, it makes outside noise amplified, you press it again. So this is really good if you're crossing the road, for example, you want to hear traffic, someone's talking to you, you want to do it, you just press the button. Now it's also really good if you want to play music. So over this side, you press it play once, it starts playing the music, you press again to pause, it's playing my ear at the moment, you double press it if you want to go forward tracks, but you can also say OK Google or OK Alexa, and actually calls up the voice assistants as well, so you can use it. So it's really good to use all the controls at the tip of your fingers. It's excellent. Now I'm using these for sound, so using the microphone, it's okay. They can hear me quite clearly the other side. I can hear them quite clearly. I wouldn't say they're the best for doing voice calls, but they still do a good job. They're quite good. I wouldn't mind using them at all. So anyway, so there's some of the features. As you can see, it works really well. Now the case again is also a wireless charging case as well, so you can just put it on the wireless pad to charge. Again, as we said before, IPX4, which is excellent. Really good to use out and about. So anyway, I'm going to go and jump now and try these out at the gym. I'm going to see how they kind of feel in the ear, how the music sounds with the outside noise, so you guys get a bit of an idea about how it sounds. Let's go and do that right now. Now the great thing with using earbuds at the gym is they don't move at all in your ears when you're working out, and you can't hear the outside noise because of the suction in the ears. As you can see, they sit there really tight. you can't hear what's going on around outside of you, and they're very, very comfortable. And because they're earbuds, they don't actually sweat as well. So you can use them for doing weightlifting like this with my arms, or also running on a treadmill or doing skipping. They're great.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute, going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit, I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want. I'll be okay, I move on each and every day, the past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Well, there you go. What's our final verdict about the JBL Tour Pro Plus earbuds? Well, again, JBL have done a fantastic job. The sound is excellent. In particular, I think because of the depth of the earbuds, the bass sounded really good. A lot better than most earbuds I've heard. They're quite a good alternative to the Apple earbuds as well. I do recommend them. And the great thing is, they're easy to use. So you Google, you got your Amazon Alexa, you can change music and sounds by just pressing the earbuds. You can also put on ambient aware and noise cancelling as well. Now the noise cancelling is excellent. You could put it on and walking along I couldn't hear much traffic, and also used it at the gym and it blocked it out. And it's actually better noise cancelling than some other JBL earbuds that I've used. So it's quite good. Good for commuting as well. Yeah, all in all, great. Now I listen to it with jazz, rock, pop, hip hop. The sound was great and I really enjoyed them. And for earbuds, you know, at this price point, they are very, very good. Wireless charging is a benefit, IPX4 water rated, Bluetooth 5 that it comes with, and 8 hours in the earbuds as well with ANC. It's good, so you can actually use a few workouts and not have to charge them. And as you saw, using them at the gym, they were really good as well. I could actually use them while doing weights, while exercising, and they worked really well. So all in all, excellent earbuds. Really recommend them. Now, if you want to purchase these earbuds, there are links in the description below. You can purchase them there. But also make sure you let me know what you think of the JBL Tour Pro Plus earbuds, if you've used them as well. They're excellent earbuds. We're really happy with them. So anyway, make sure you let us know in the videos what you think. Subscribe to the video. And thanks again for joining us here at MrYouWho.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first